Now we will see the difference between the north and south countries. In northern countries are colonial states, and in southern countries are colonies of some European state. All northern states are rich and they have ruled many years on other states, so they are called colonial states. In southern part, many states have been ruled by other states, so southern countries are called colonies of some European state. In northern state population is low comparatively than southern states, and in southern states the population is high. In northern states the religion and culture is same in all regions. The European states are almost all Christian, but in southern state we find cultural social differences. Different religions are present, so religious conflicts may occur because people belong from different communities and religions. In northern, the policy adopted by European states are mostly capitalist ideology in nature, but in southern, the policy adopted by southern states are mostly socialist ideology in nature. Then European states from early stage are independent because these states rule other states for many countries. Means they have ruled other states, so they are independent from their early stage. But southern states were ruled by a British government for many years, so they have become newly independent. So their progress has not that much developed. That much we can see in the northern countries. Then in north, so European states are advanced. They have already set up their political structure and their system. But in southern, so these states have become independent now, so they are struggling to set up their political structure, struggle and system. In northern countries, the problems like to maintain status, to increase economic power, to develop more and more in technology, to find out the market, to sell their products are the problems faced by the northern countries. Means they have already set up their basic needs. Now they are struggling to increase their production. But in southern here we means southern state is struggling to set up their basic. The problems like setting of a system, maintaining peace and order, creating new laws to protect the state, to establish economic system are the problems faced by the southern countries. Then flow of trade is from the south of states to the north of state. You can add this point. Then the next difference is there is no any supply from northern to south states. Means supply is not there from northern to southern states, and supply is from the southern to north state. And the southern states like Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, they have population from different communities. So here we have completed the difference between north and south countries. Question may be asked that write a short note on the distinguish or the write the difference between the north and south countries. This same difference we can see in the western and eastern countries. Western countries are developed. Western countries are like northern countries and eastern countries are like southern countries. Question is always asked on southern and northern countries.